She usually just spell my name with her tongue like yeah. And your girlfriend playing dress up in my house. I give you.
You never intended to kiss anyone. That night you just wanted to survive it. The club was packed, music pounding like a second heartbeat in your chest. Your friends had vanished into the crowd long ago, and now you were cornered again by the same man who had been following you since the street outside. You should have screamed, you should have run, but instincts drove you to the stranger in the dark suit standing near the bar, the only one who looked like he didn't belong in the chaos. He stood still, untouched by the light, as if the world spun around him. You didn't know his name, didn't ask. You just grabbed his collar, pulled him down and kissed him, and he kissed you back. Firm control dominate, and as if he had been waiting for you. Your world spun again, this time for an entirely different reason, until the other man was gone and the kiss broke, breathless and burning. You stammered, I am sorry, I just needed. The stranger tilted his head. What's your name? Wine. You whispered stern. He nodded once. You are coming with me. You frowned. What? Don't make me repeat myself. You should have said no, should have backed away, but something in his eyes, dark and unreadable, held you still, and before you know it, you were in the back seat of a sleek black car with tinted windows, moving through the night like a secret. You didn't know his name until the next morning, didn't realize until you saw the armed man waiting outside the estate gates, didn't understand until he leaned in and said calmly, I am Jeon Jungkook and you are now my wife. 2 weeks later, you what? You stood frozen in front of Jungkook, blinking at the papers on the marble table. Marriage license, your name, his name. You can't just marry me like this. I already did. He sat seated like a king in the lounge of his estate. The world thinks you are mine. That kiss wasn't just a kiss. It was a claim. People saw it. You flinched. Claim? I was in danger. That wasn't. But it was. Jungkook said, voice low. You walked into my arms, kissed me like you belonged there. Now you do. Your voice cracked. Why are you doing this? He stood moving closer. His presence felt like smoke, silent but impossible to ignore. There are people watching me, waiting for weakness. A wife means leverage, safety, control. You laugh bitterly. I'm just a shield. His voice dropped. You are more than that. I just don't know what good. Days passed. You didn't leave, couldn't. He had guards posted. He claimed it was for your protection. You told yourself you hated him, but when he passed you in the hallway, his eyes lingering just a second too long, when he sat beside you at dinner in silence, pouring you water before his own, and he found you crying quietly on the balcony and just stood beside you wordless. You started to wonder if this was really just for show. 1 month later, the mansion was too quiet. You just started to explore its corners, learning where Jungkook worked, where he trained, where he paced at late at night on the phone, speaking in cold Korean you barely understood. You had started asking questions, and then you found it, a room locked. Until tonight, you picked the lock. You picked the lock using a skill you didn't know you had. Inside, walls lined with photographs, maps, red string connecting names, files with symbols, surveillance footage, and in the center of a cardboard board, your face. Paint mark. You stepped back, thudding. That kiss wasn't random. Jungkook had known you who you were from the start. You followed me. You whispered when he caught you in the room. His face gave nothing away. I protected you. Don't lie. I never lie. You stormed past him, but he blocked the exit. I saved your life that night. He said quietly. That man following you, not random. He wasn't drunk. He was sent. Your skin chilled. By who? Jungkook's jaw clenched. Someone who wanted to hurt me through you. Your voice trembled. Why me? Because you are my weakness. You blinked. He stepped closer. I didn't mean to make you mine, but the second you kissed me, I knew I wouldn't survive letting you go. 2 months in, you weren't afraid of him anymore. He's locked you in this gilded world. Yes, but you started to understand why. You learned about the rival families the world shared, the betrayal that cost him everything. You saw the monster he had to be, the end, the man he tried to hide underneath it. He never touched you, not at once, but his eye did every night. You started sleeping on the same bed, not touching but not apart. Somewhere along the line, walls cracked. He asked asked you about your childhood. You made him laugh. He made you feel safe. You woke one night to glass shattering, gunfire outside, a scream. Jungkook rushed in, get down. The mansion was under attack. You didn't ask questions, just follow him down secret corridors until you reached the underground panic room. But this time you followed him back. I'm not running, I am fighting with you. He stared at you, stunned. This is not your war. It became mine the moment you let me in. You armed yourself a weapon Jungkook kept just in case. That night you fought beside him, watched him bleed, held him as the adrenaline faded. The ending weeks passed. The war ended. Jungkook's enemies were dead. You stood in the garden of the state where everything had started. He walked toward you like in a black shirt, sleeves rolled, bandages on his side. You should leave now, he said softly. You are free. You looked at him. Do you want me to? He didn't answer, so you stepped closer, hurt in your throat. That kiss, the first one, was it all part of a plan? He finally met your eyes. No. You smiled. Then let's try one. That is, you kissed him again, slower this time, real, hand wrapped around your waist. This time, and when he whispered, you are mine, it wasn't a threat, it was a promise. And this time you whispered back, I know.